Good morning students, welcome back to GK and Aptitude class, and today we will start chapter number 36, Reason with Me. A. Identify the relationship between the first pair of words, then choose the correct word and select the word which best fits in the second pair. So we have to identify the relationship between the first pair and then we have to choose the word that best fits in the second pair. Okay, now first pair, tempt and test, they both mean attract. Okay, the meaning will be same. The synonym of tempt is enticed. So repel means strong feeling of dislike or disgusting, feeling disgusting. So it will be revolt. Okay, D number, revolt. Number 2, fuzzy, indefinite. Fuzzy, indefinite both means lacking in clarity. Okay, then enlarge. Enlarge means to make larger. So what will be the answer? Magnify. Okay, magnify also means the same. Number 3, startle, terrify. Startle means cause to feel sudden shock. Terrify also means the same. So active is engaged in action. So active synonym will be busy. Okay. Now number 4, enclose, confine. Enclose means close off on all sides. Okay. Astonishing means shocking. Okay. Astonishing and shocking are synonyms of each other. Okay. Next, shocking is your answer. C number. 5, produce, construct. Immense, extremely large. Immense is extremely large. So mammoth is the correct answer because mammoth is a large extinct elephant. Okay. Now the rest 3 you will do on your own. Okay. Now we will move on to B, solve the logical reasoning. Choose the logical reasoning you have already done in the aptitude book. So I think you will not face any problem. So choose the similar sequence of numbers from the following. So you see 03 leaving 0405, leaving 0607, leaving 0809. So difference is 1. So see 02 leaving 03 04, 05 06 07, it should be 08 but it is 10, so it is not correct. 02 leaving 03 04 05 then 06, so it is also not correct. 02 leaving 03 04, leaving 05 06, leaving 07 08. So this is the answer, D number. Okay. Now 2 number, Seema went in a store of rupees 1.99. She bought 5 toys. Cost of each toy is, she bought 5 toys, then what will be the cost of each toy? It is, since it is a store of rupees 199, so the answer is A number, rupees 1.99. Since the store is of rupees 1.99, so each toy's cost will also be rupees 1.99, isn't it? So the answer is A number. Number 3, I was born on December 31, 1956, and today is December 31, 2019. Therefore, I am dash years old. How many years old? So you have to do minus 2019. Okay, 1956. If you do minus or subtract 1956 with 2019, then the answer will be 63 years. So I am 63 years old. Number 4, my house has 4 rooms. Each room has a door. and a window, then my house has, each room has one door and one window. So there are 4 rooms. So it will be 4 doors and 4 windows. So the answer is 4 windows and 4 doors. Number C. Now the next is I work in the night. When I arrive at the office, I must greet my fellow members by saying I work at night. So when I arrive at the office, how should I greet my fellow members? By saying good evening. Okay, I should say good evening. Now let us see, fill up the blanks. B A C B D C E D. See, after B C D E, then it should be F and G. Now say the second letter. A B C D, then it should be E, and this should be G F. Okay, so after D E F. So next 995, 890, 785, 680. If you see the difference, it is minus 105. Okay, so 995 minus 105 is 890. 890 minus 105 is 785. 785 minus 105 is 680. 680 minus 105 is 575, and 575 minus 105 is 470. So the next, let us see, 1102, 1203, 1304, 1404. Okay, so you see it should be 1405. Okay, mistake is there. So after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then 02, 03, 04, 05, it should be 06, 07 is your answer. Okay, now let us move on to the next page. See, a pair of letters is given. Tick the pair which has similar relationship as in the given pair. B, C, D, E. So the answer is Q, R, S, T. B, C, D, E. B, after B, C, then D, E. Answer is Q, R, S, T. Okay. A, C, then it should be D here, D, E, but it is E, G, so it is not the answer. V, U, it should be W here, so W is not there, so this is not the answer. L, M, it should be N here, but O is given, so it is not the answer. Answer is Q, R, S, T. L, M, M, N. So the answer will be J, K, K, L. Okay. Now B, D, F, C, E, F. B, D, F, C, E, F. So the answer will be M, O, Q, N, P, R. After B you see C is there. After D, E is there, and F is common here, but it should be G. After M, N. After O, P. After Q, R. Okay, so this is the answer. There is also mistake here, it should be G. Okay. Now, number 4, 1, leaving 2, 3, leaving 4, 5, 7, leaving 8, 9, and leaving 10, 11. So the answer will be 11, leaving 12, 13, leaving 14, 15, 17, leaving 18, 19, and leaving 20, 21. So this is the correct answer. Number 5, 103, 206, 401, 802, 303, 606. Then what should be the answer of 123? You see, with 1, 2 is multiplied. So 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into 2 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 0 into 2 is 0 and 3 into 2 is 6. So what will be the answer? 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. So 2, 4, 6 is your answer. Now the next 3 will be your homework. Here you have to identify the pattern. You see triangle, then square, then pentagon, then hexagon, triangle, then again square. So after that it will be pentagon. Okay, after triangle, then square, then pentagon will be your answer. So this is the answer. Next, complete the pattern. P, Q, R, R, S, T, T, U, V. Then what will be the answer? V, W, X. Okay. V, W, X. Since V is there, so you have to write V here. So V, W, X. After R, R is repeating. After T, T is repeating. So V would also repeat. So V, W, X. Now you see what comes next. C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, then F. F for fox. Isn't it? So children, here we end our class. In the next class, I will complete this chapter. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye. And thank you, children.